This is how to fix Microsoft Store is not working error. So let's fix this error by using the three methods. So let's get into the first method. You just need to open your settings, and here in the settings you have to just click on the apps. Now here in the apps you have to just search here for your Microsoft Store. So once you find it, you have to just simply click on it, and now click on advanced options. And at this interface you have to just scroll all the way down at the bottom, and here you will find an option of reset. Just click on it and then again click on the reset and wait for completing this processing. Once you're done, you just need to click on the repair option here and wait for completing this process as well. This process of reset and repair will take about 3 minutes, so you have to be patient for this time. So once you complete this process, you have to just close this window and then try to again open your Microsoft Store, and this time your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our second method, you just need to open your run box by pressing Windows plus R keys at once and then search here for wsreset.exe and then hit the enter. It will automatically clear the cache of your Microsoft Store and then automatically open your Microsoft Store after some processing. So you have to be patient and wait for opening the Microsoft Store automatically, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. Now moving to our third most effective method, you just need to check that if the network connection that you are using is stable or not, and try to access the stable network connection. Right after that, you have to just again open your settings, and this time you have to just click on update and security. So once you are here, you have to just click on the troubleshoot option in the left menu and then click on additional troubleshooters. Here at this interface you have to just scroll all the way down at the bottom and then click on Windows Store apps and then click on run the troubleshooter. And then it will start a troubleshooter that will start detecting and resolving your issue. So you have to be patient for completing this process. It will take about 5 to 6 minutes, so you have to be patient. Once you complete this process, you have to just try to again open your Microsoft Store, and this time your problem will be fixed. I hope this video was a big help for you. If you have any question, you can leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.